Hey guys, and welcome back to Angie video. My name is Nasha and we're back with another video. So today we're gonna be unboxing BOXYCHARM, and this is for the month of November. I'm pretty late, I know. I've been very busy. I was visiting my family. So this is basically the card that they have. It's so cute and so festive, and it says harvest right there. And so we're gonna get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, to get notified, even though I've been late. And I explained that in my other video that I'm gonna be uploading tomorrow. And also guys, with any information that I have, I always write it down in the description box. So yeah, always check there and say hi also in the comments. To start this off, they have a little palette. It's the Natasha Denoa Peak Palette. Peak, P-E-A-K, and it looks like that. It looks so cute, and it's so like, it's just that you I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like, it's heavy too. It seems pretty pricey. Actually the price is right here. It's supposed to be $48 for this, but I used it on my eyes. I've used this right there, and then I just use that for everywhere else, but that's what I have on my eyes. So it's so cute. I don't know why, but every time I do my makeup, my nose just want to get all watery, all runny. And they also give you like a $25 25% off code for the Natasha palette, the one that I just showed you. Next one, we have 2 eye pencil pack. So let's see what's in here. Oops, I broke it. This one is black walnut, so I guess it's just that's the color right there. And then this one, if I can get it out, is black basically. Look at how dark that is compared to this one. So yeah. Body, graphy, something like that. I always hated English. And so this one is called Earth Harbor, and it's a anti-pollution youth ampoule, something like that. What in the world? So let's see. Named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun. Deity? I'm pretty sure that's what it is. My face itches. Oh, look at that. Should I shake it? Oh, the bottle's probably red. I guess it's just to like make you more youthful, I guess. Apply 2 drops onto your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. If using other treatments or moisturizer, massage until absorbed. For a daily skincare cocktail, add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum, facial oil, or moisturizer, morning and night.
Damn. Oh, dang, it drips. It kind of smells like, it reminds me of a beach day, so it probably reminds me of sunscreen, but not that strong either. Not like that strong sunscreen smell. But it still reminds me like of a beach day or like going out swimming.
And then another thing we have is lip enhancer from whatever. So yeah, this is how it looks. I want to smell it. Conditioning lip treatment. That's what it says. It's a lip moisturizer. This ultra rich lip moisturizer nourishes and conditions your lips with the help of Maxi Lip, vitamin E, shea butter, and jojoba.
I can't read it because I jojoba seed oil. These good for you ingredients offer. That is so weird to put it. These good for you ingredients offer you. I guess it's not that weird. I guess I'm weird. Offer you. Where is it at? Oh. Offer a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Apply 3 times daily for 29 days for softer, visible, fuller lips.
And then lastly, we have this lip oil from INT Cosmetic. Int, something like that. Cosmetic. And it's a lip oil. That's basically it right there. Ooh, that's really strong. It kinda, this smell reminds me of fall, but like a in the house type of smell, like one of those air freshener, those candles or scents. It smells like really caramelly. I'm trying to look at the ingredients to see what's in it, but it smells really good and I just want to eat it. I just want to eat it so bad. Oh my god, that smells so good. I would totally want my house to smell like that in the fall. Oh god, but that's pretty much it. I would put it on my lips, but I already have all this going on. It feels so smooth too. It's not that sticky. Like, it's sticky, but it's not like the gross sticky feeling. It feels so good. I didn't actually feel this one. Oh, this one feels very smooth. Oh, that stinks. I did not like that smell. What did I say earlier? Oh, jeez. But anyways, so that's pretty much it for the box. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment down below any other requests you guys want to watch. Any other stuff that you guys want me to do, I'll do it for you guys. So love ya. Bye.